Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying device readiness. Check Android version and whether you need Play Store or APK installation. Once you pick an app, allow install unknown apps if sideloading, then open settings and enable accessibility for that app. This is how it can perform clicks for you. Grant display over apps so the control panel appears on top. Finally, exempt the app from battery optimization to keep it running. These first steps let the auto clicker actually run and interact with other apps reliably. Next, configure how the tool clicks. Choose an interval in milliseconds, pick a tap duration, and set repeat count or continuous mode. Shorter intervals save time, but can cause missed taps. Use multi-point or script/record mode for sequences. You can drop points manually or record a run to capture timing. Make sure the overlay control is positioned out of the action area. Once done, assign a start/stop hotkey or floating button so you can control runs without reopening the app. Finally, run a brief test sequence in the exact app and screen where you need clicks. Observe results and tweak coordinates, timing, or tap duration until reliable. If clicks aren't registering, make sure accessibility service is enabled, display over apps is allowed, and battery optimization is off. Those are the usual culprits. Also confirm the target app doesn't block simulated input. If problems persist, restart the device. When finished, stop the service and revoke permissions or uninstall if you no longer need auto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.